Ever opened an important PDF only to find an annoying watermark covering your content? Maybe it's a draft stamp, an old company logo, or a watermark that's making your document look unprofessional. What if you could remove it in just a few clicks? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to remove watermarks from PDFs using PDFelement. And by the end of this video, you will get to know how easy it is to remove watermarks from PDFs using PDFelement. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed PDFelement, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Whether you're editing contracts, business documents, presentations, client proposals, or study materials, removing unwanted watermarks can instantly make your PDFs cleaner and easier to use. And with PDFelement, the process is fast, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require advanced PDF editing skills. Step 1. Open your PDF. First, launch PDFelement. On the home screen, click Open PDF and select the PDF file that contains the watermark. Once your document loads, you'll see the full PDF inside the editor. Now we're ready to remove the watermark. Step 2. Remove watermark. At the side toolbar, click Edit. Then locate the watermark from the top menu. Select Remove Watermark. PDFelement will ask for confirmation. Click OK. And just like that, the watermark disappears. Simple. No exporting, no converting, no quality loss. Real use cases. Business documents. Removing outdated company branding before reusing templates. Study notes. Cleaning up scanned PDFs with distracting watermarks. Client proposals. Making presentation files look polished and professional. Legal or internal drafts. Removing draft or internal use only watermarks after approval. Bonus. Batch remove watermarks. Now what if you have 20 PDFs or 50? No problem. PDFelement also supports batch watermark removal. On the main screen, go to Batch Process and then Watermark. Now add multiple PDF files. Choose Remove Watermark. Set your output folder, then click Apply. Perfect for offices, teams, and document-heavy workflows. Pro tip: if the watermark doesn't remove normally, it might actually be an image or editable text instead of a standard watermark object. In that case, go to Edit mode. Select the watermark manually. Go to the Intelligent Image Editing and reduce the opacity to 0, or select the image and delete it directly. And that's how you remove watermarks from PDFs using PDFelement. A few clicks, cleaner documents, and a much more professional workflow. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.